Place is an offbeat destination of doers known as Chamurchi. Chamurchi is around how many kilometers from Jalpaiguri?
Around 76.
76 kilometers from Jalpaiguri, and this is very near to Bhutan. As you can see, the whole panoramic view. This is the Chamurchi Eco Park, and the resort is a part of the park. And as you can see over there, the river is just something which just flows by. And this is the eco resort. This is really an offbeat destination, and the best part of it is that the view, the flowing hills, layers upon layers, and the scenic beauty. Though there is hardly any water in the river right now, because this is a common feature of rivers in North Bengal, that they dry up. I believe that in many other hilly areas the things are the same, but over here I've seen that rivers dry up drastically during the winter season. And this is the whole panoramic view. I've been to various hill stations all around the country, and I don't know, like something which offers like this kind of a view is exceptional. If it is not snow, then this is the best view that you can get. If it is not snowing in a particular place, that means it's not white. So this is the eco resort. This is really an offbeat destination. It's being prepared right now in a different way, and they are working really day in and day out to make this a wonderful place. The Chamurchi Eco Resort is under the Department of Tourism, the government of West Bengal, and the Eco Park is also there. This is a popular destination for people around the area, and a very different kind of a place. That means you will not find this in the regular route maps of doers, and that is how, and that is why it becomes exceptional. The road to this particular place is being remade, or rather it's being renovated, but otherwise once the road is ready, this will become one of the most popular destination, I believe, and that is why it's special. This is the whole panoramic view of the place, and you can see this, that this has around 320-degree view of the whole place, so the whole range can be visible from this particular thing. Thank you very much, viewers, for viewing this, and we'll be putting up more things in the future for you to find out nooks and corners of this particular place, this particular area, or rather this part of the world. Bengal, as it is known as the sweetest part of India, and this is really a different look of Bengal that is presented over here. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.